Digitalization also impacts process industries such as the oil, gas, pharmaceutical, and chemical industries. Today, power distribution must be more than highly reliable. It is an important source of data. Do you already use the full potential of your energy data? Be sure to tap on this data in the future with the intelligent SIVACON S8plus low-voltage switchboard. Future-oriented power distribution requires intelligent planning. Innovative Samaras software tools can support you during the planning phase. Modeling individual infrastructure systems with the help of Building Information Modeling Data, or BIM data for short, prevents planning mistakes during construction so that you can get started faster. Get your switchboard ready for the digital future with a portfolio of smart solutions with communication-capable components. Like, for example, SIVACON Pro. As motor protection and control device as well as a data source, SIVACON Pro plays to its strengths in the Smart Motor Control Center. When it comes to increased availability requirements, SIVACON Pro supports the Profinet system redundancy function for connection to the highly available SIMATIC S7 automation systems. Furthermore, protection, switching, measuring, and control devices deliver comprehensive measurement, statistical, diagnostic, and service data. You do not only want to capture data, but also visualize and evaluate it. The Samaras Control Diagnostic Station is the switchboard's digital twin. All information from installed communication-capable devices are displayed clearly on site. You get a systematic list of all measured values, statistical data, and error messages. This ensures faster diagnosis and more efficient planning of maintenance activities, and improves energy efficiency. With Samaras Control, you can use the digital twin to parameterize various devices and change the system structure yourself for fast commissioning and flexible operation. Samaras Control can be easily integrated into existing IT structures via the integrated LAN interfaces. This provides functions such as remote access and monitoring. You can also connect Samaras Control to higher-level automation and energy management systems, as well as cloud-based analysis systems, benefit from the data collected in SIVACON S8plus for optimized processes, predictive maintenance, cost savings thanks to energy transparency, and greater switchboard availability. Use the full potential of your energy data in the digital age with SIVACON S8plus.